Hello children, welcome to Akshada Public School's Digital Library. Today we are going to learn about microscopes in brief. Through this class, you will be able to understand the history and types of microscope, identify and describe the various parts and functions of a compound microscope, and describe the key concepts in your own words. In this topic, we will discuss about the history of microscopy, types of microscopes, and parts and their functions of a compound microscope. Let's begin with the timeline of microscopy. It began in 1285 when the glasses were invented. In 1590, Hans and Zacharias Janssen invented a microscope. Notice how it looks like a cylinder. In 1609, the very famous Galileo Galilei perfected the microscope. In 1625, Giovanni Faber coined the term microscope for the very first time. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell. In 1670, Anton van Leeuwenhoek perfected the microscope. In the 1800s, the modern microscope was born. The first interchangeable magnification was invented in 1884. The first modern light microscope was developed later. And finally, the electron microscope came into existence. Let us now look at the different types of microscopes. Basically, there are 4 types of microscopes. They are simple microscope, compound microscope, stereoscopic microscope, and electron microscope. The simple microscope uses only one lens, whereas the compound microscope uses more than one lenses. You may have seen such compound microscopes in our school science lab. The stereoscopic microscope gives 3D view of objects. Notice how there are 2 eyepieces in such microscopes. The electron microscope gives 3D view of the objects. However, it displays the image on a computer screen. Minute viruses like the COVID-19 virus can be viewed with the help of an electron microscope. Let us now look at the parts of a compound microscope. Let's begin with the eyepiece, followed by the body tube, coarse adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, arm, stage, light source, base, nose piece, low power lens, high power lens. The low power lens and the high power lens together are called objective lenses, stage clips, and finally the diaphragm. Let us now look at the functions of each of those parts of the compound microscope. The first one is the eyepiece or the ocular lens. The ocular lens helps us to look through and magnifies the specimen. The body tube allows the light to pass through. It also holds the lenses apart. The coarse adjustment knob raises or lowers the body tube to focus. The fine adjustment knob also raises and lowers the body tube and is used to bring the objects into focus. The arm supports the body tube and is used to carry the microscope. The stage is a place where the specimen is placed for viewing. The light source is located beneath the stage and diaphragm. It sends light towards the hole in the stage. The base is the bottom part of the microscope. It often looks like a horseshoe. The nose piece is the round part that holds the objective lenses apart. The low power lens magnifies the specimen at lower power, while the high power lens magnifies the specimen at higher power. Together, they are called the objective lenses. The stage clips hold down the slide with the specimen. The diaphragm changes the amount of light reaching the objective lenses. It is located under the stage. Hope you have understood the topic. Your home play is to join all the concepts and create a complete mind map in your drawing book and submit it to your subject teacher. Thank you.